to use the Style Sourcebook Moodboard. Step 1. Visit our website, thebluespace.com.au. Step 2. Find the Style Sourcebook Moodboard. Navigate to Tools and Services, down to Design, and across to Style Sourcebook Moodboard. Step 3. Open the Moodboard tool. Scroll down to Create a Moodboard, click and enter. Step 4. Start creating your moodboard. Start browsing all of our products on the side panel and slide your favourite products onto the moodboard. You also have some useful features like being able to upload your own images so that you can try to best match this product to the rest of your moodboard or to the products you've already purchased. Step 5. Moodboard customizations. Once you have finished sliding your items onto the moodboard, you can now customize it by using the panel on the right-hand side to flip, crop, copy, or delete any items. You can also add text by navigating to the product tags icon. Here you can select up to 4 product fields to include. When you have selected the appropriate tags, click Generate, and then align the text to your moodboard. Step 6. Save or download your moodboard. Once complete, you now have the option to save your moodboard to your account or download it as a JPEG image. Step 7. Add the products to your shopping cart. Click the blank space on your moodboard, click View Product List, and then navigate to the individual product pages to customize your products and add to cart. Repeat this step for each product. Step 8. Purchase your products. Go to the checkout page and input your purchase details. Once you've purchased your products, they will be delivered to you in next to no time so you can get started on your renovation with no unnecessary stress. If you need more help with your product selections, chat with one of our qualified interior designers today for a free design consultation.